MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Our 2023 Kia EV6 GT has been on the move a lot recently, as we've just passed the 5,000 mile mark in only 4 months. Winter hasn't impeded things at all, just requiring us to take a little extra caution with the GT's performance tires. Everything else remains solid, as the EV6 GT truly is a joy to drive. The cabin is lovely too, and the dash setup has it appearing more traditional than many EVs, though the GT's splashes of additional color and accent lighting go a long way in making it special, as do the aggressively bolstered sports seats and the unique themes that appear when changing drive modes, which we occasionally do accidentally by grazing the large steering wheel buttons.
Recently, every time I've hopped in for a cruise with this EV6 GT, the drive mode has been set to Eco, which is a bit unusual for us. But I think it's because we're all realizing that it's been helpful in 2 ways this winter. One, it takes some of the responsiveness out of the accelerator, decreasing the likelihood of unwanted wheel spin. And 2, we're extending our range.
Indeed, recent news headlines have pointed out that cold weather does have an impact on EVs, particularly when it comes to batteries, charging, and range. But it's certainly not a deal breaker, as very cold weather impacts everything else too. EVs just require a little bit of thinking ahead, like making sure the battery and interior are warmed before unplugging to minimize range loss, much like remote starting has done for internal combustion cars for years. We'll see how winter weather is treating our Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV on the next MotorWeek long-term road test update.